Hey everyone, TechBarn back with another video, and today we're taking a look at a pretty neat laptop accessory. This is the Se7enline Invisible laptop stand. Despite the terrible name, the design and experience of this laptop stand has been pretty good. The design is pretty clever in my personal opinion. It's slim and well built. It cleverly folds away and folds into two modes, low and normal. The lower mode raises the laptop 2 inches and the regular mode raises the laptop 3 inches from the ground. The bottom uses a non-residue leaving adhesive, meaning you can re-stick your stand without any hassle. Just use some water and wait for it to dry. Now, as you can see here, we're putting the stand on to a new computer, and it's really easy. It doesn't require much time, it's really fast, and it doesn't leave any sticky residue or anything on your computer, which is really nice because you can take it off one laptop, put it on another, and whenever you don't want to use it, you can always take it off again. Now, my experiences with this laptop stand have been satisfactory. It did what it advertised, though I do have some critiques about the design. Firstly, I did see an improvement in my posture when raising my laptop. And typing on this thing was very nice as well. There was very little to no wobble at all. Now, my critique is I felt that the grip was sacrificed, meaning the laptop would slide just a bit when you really pushed it, and that could be a deal breaker for some. For me, however, it didn't bother me that much, but that's something to think about if you're looking to get this stand. In terms of the invisibility factor, I'd say it folds away enough that it does somewhat merit the term invisible. One small thing about this purchase as well is that it does come with a webcam cover, but I lost mine. Now, in conclusion, for $20, you're getting a smartly designed invisible stand. Despite the sacrifice in grip, your posture will see an immense improvement. Overall, you're getting a really nice product that adds some pizzazz to your setup and makes it feel a bit more premium. Thanks for watching. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe. This has been TechBarn, and we'll see you in our next video.